Okay, so Pat Coakley here from Specialist Nutrition in Cork. Looking at a new reseed here from last September. Obviously it has gotten beyond the farmer. He wasn't able to get in with the undersowing spray, the CloverMax. So covers are fairly heavy. So the advice here would be to take it out and bale it, let it come back, get in with the undersowing. There's a nice bit of chickweed there, but that won't give any bother. It's just that there's a few thistles coming in there, so I'd say the best thing to do would be to clean it off and leave it come again, because it's gone too strong for grazing. In 3 weeks' time he'll have good grass covers here where he can spray with his undersowing in, and he will have very good digestible grass for his cows once that is done. Once the farmer follows this program, he'll have a nice clean pasture. So for any further information on grass seeds, please contact Specialist Nutrition.